screen, everyone. So as you know by now how to create an AI assistant, but this video is going to focus how to start that AI assistant and how to make that AI assistant work for your own business. So first, if you don't know how to create an AI assistant, you can check out the description box below. We have attached a video there on how to create an AI assistant and also how to create WhatsApp chatbots inside Pabbly Connect. For that, you first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, and if you wish to add a WhatsApp number, a video tutorial dedicated towards that too has also been attached in the description box below. This video is only going to focus on how to start an AI assistant. So first I'm going to go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow, and as you can see, there are multiple AI assistants which I have already created. So let's say I have created this AI assistant for travel FAQs, and now let's see how we can use this AI assistant for our business. After creating this AI assistant, you're going to get the option of embedded right over here. So if you wish, you can definitely click on this button and you're going to get the script. Using this script, you can add this AI assistant on your website, and then further what is going to happen is that whenever any lead or any customer is going to use that AI assistant from your website and message you on WhatsApp, automatically your AI assistant will get activated and reply them. The next option which we have to start this AI assistant, for that we have to go towards this inbox section. Alright, so I'm just going to open it in a new tab, and using this inbox section you can assign this AI assistant to a particular chat. Let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to this chat, which is Ritika. So what we have to do is we have to go towards this choose AI assistant and select the AI assistant and click on this save. And now whenever this user is going to message you, automatic reply using AI assistant will be generated. So let's test this. I'm going to open my WhatsApp and let's say I'm going to type hey, and once I'm going to send this hey, an automatic reply will be generated, and I'm going to wait for the reply, and as you can see it is saying how can I assist you today. Going to see the same over here, the AI assistant has replied, and further whenever I'm going to ask any question, automatically this AI assistant is going to reply. Let's say I'm going to ask for Bali 2 package, then automatically this AI assistant is going to reply to this user, and as you can see the chats will be saved in this inbox section too. You're also going to see when the message was sent, delivered and read. But also if you don't wish to assign the AI assistant particularly to each of this contact one by one, we have another option too. You can go towards this contact section from the left end of the site, and what you can do is first you have to create the contact list. So as you can see that I have multiple contacts already saved, and I've also created a contact list right over here for new registrants. If you wish to create a new contact list, or if you wish to also upload the contact, you can go towards this add contact button. You can either enter a single contact over here and then you can simply save it by clicking on this button, either this, or if you want to add bulk contacts, you can go towards this add bulk contacts and upload a CSV file. What you can do is you can simply upload this CSV file. You can go towards this section, and as you can see I'm going to upload a sample CSV file, and something like this you can upload it. And after uploading this, once again you have to click on this add contact button right over here to add bulk contacts. I have already created a list, and let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to each user in this list, and I don't wish to do it manually one by one, going towards the inbox and assigning it. So what I can do is I can go towards this left end of the site towards this settings and then towards this inbox settings. So I'm going to open this inbox settings, and without wasting any more time, let's scroll down, and if we're going to see the option of AI auto reply settings, you simply have to enable this AI auto replies. Select the contact list you wish the AI to reply. So let's say I want that this new registrants should be replied with the help of AI assistant, and further on this right end of the site I can select the AI assistant I wish to reply to this contact list. And once I select the AI assistant and the contact list, I can click on this save, and automatically whenever any contact in this list is going to message me, automatic reply will be sent towards that user using the same AI assistant which I have selected. So I can assign this AI assistant to multiple contacts in a single setting also. This is very easy, alright. And further, if you wish to disable it, you can simply disable it from here. And if you also want to disable it for all new charts, you can go towards this disable for all new charts, give the confirmation by typing disable and click on this disable AI reply, and automatically automatically this setting is going to get disabled. And if you wish to enable it again, you can enable it. Select the contact list, select the AI assistant, and it will be enabled. Alright, so yes, today I showed you the 3 ways in which you can start this AI assistant for your own business too. First, you have to create the AI assistant. Then if you wish, you can definitely add this AI assistant on your website by going towards this embedded button and using this script. The second, which I told you, was going towards this inbox section from the left end of the site and assigning the AI assistant manually. And the third, which I told you, was going towards this settings, inbox settings, and assigning the AI assistant to a lot of contact lists in a single click. So you can do all of these to assign the AI assistant to your contacts or to your users. Now you don't have to worry. And further, if you wish to learn anything else about Pabbly Chatflow, or if you wish to learn about any another feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Alright, if you also wish to know how to create an AI assistant, we have a dedicated video towards this, which is going to guide you step by step how to create the AI assistant. You can go in the description box below and first create your AI assistant and then start it by following these 3 simple steps. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.